Urban Affairs Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar has reiterated the state government's commitment to identifying suitable land for the relocation of hawkers currently operating in areas like Police Bazar in Shillong. The move, part of efforts to decongest the city and reduce traffic bottlenecks, aligns with the broader Shillong Master Plan currently under development. The initial proposal aimed to convert Police Bazar into a pedestrian-friendly zone, with hawkers relocated in phases to designated vending areas near Khandailat and Civil Hospital. Priority will be given to registered hawkers who would receive a 30-day relocation notice after certification. The Town Vending Committee has conducted extensive surveys and is finalizing vending zones as per the 2023 Meghalaya Street Vendors Scheme. Sniawbhalang Dhar recently emphasized that the government plans to engage with stakeholders through additional consultations to ensure a balanced solution that accommodates all hawkers while addressing urban congestion challenges.
They met me, so it's a very good meeting. They request me, sir, please give us a good space. And I told them, don't worry, I'm with you. Please cooperate with the government. We will try to locate a good place for them. So be patient and be with the government together. Yes, you won't be able to get exactly what you want. We may not get exactly what you want. So I think by dialogue we'll be able to get a good place. So I request you to cooperate with the government, and they are very happy. Because frankly speaking, they are our brother and sister. We have to think properly. We can't throw them just like that. No, we'll be taking a united decision along with them nicely. So in the meantime, we are still identifying a few more places. So we will be decided by a joint meeting with my officer and with them together. It may be they may say yes, they may say no. We will discuss again what's the problem. There is no issue on that. They didn't reject it. They said, okay, we offered them 3-4 places. Said, okay, we'll see, we'll discuss between them and with their side also. We didn't mean that the government is soft. We didn't mean that government is soft and they are rough. Not like that. Yes, if somebody disturb, like somebody ABC come and sit along the road, along the street, along the footpath, that is why we have to regulate properly in such a manner. There will be no disturbance for the people who walk on the footpath or people who move within the crowded area. No, there is a record. There is a record in the office who are the registered hawker. Yes, it may be more, it may be a little bit beyond the registered one, but we have to keep survey from time to time. No?